Let's face it, the idea of writing a resume with no experience can be terrifying. You need a resume to get the job, but you need a job to have something to put on your resume. That's enough to make anyone's head hurt. Yet somehow, millions of people enter the workforce each year. It's totally possible to write a resume with no experience, and I'm here to help. I'm Anna, a professional career writer here at Resume.io, and today I'm going to reveal the secrets of writing a resume with no experience. Even if you've never been employed in your field of choice, or if you don't have the right degree, there are still ways to show the skills and personality traits that would make you successful in the job. And that's my first tip. Look for ways of showing transferable skills. That's a fancy way of saying the overlap between what you already know how to do and where you're looking to be. Cast a wide net here. When you're just starting out, no experience is too small. My next tip for people writing a resume with no experience is to reorder your resume. First, start with a convincing summary. Clearly state the position you're after and the personal qualities that make you right for the job. For students or anyone with relevant degrees, add your education section next. This signals that you're just starting out and are ready for your first professional experience. If you don't have any employment history to show, that's okay. Simply rename this section Experience and include any hobbies, volunteer activities, or internships. And my final tip for creating a resume with no experience is all about appearance. A candidate with a well-organized and attractive resume instantly looks more professional and more qualified in the eyes of the hiring manager. Find these resume templates and our easy-to-use resume builder in the link below. And that's it. These 3 simple steps will put you on the fast track to finding a new job and never needing to write a resume with no experience ever again. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our latest resume tips and expert advice. Now it's time to go out there and get that job.